All right, it's Sunday night, and it's a great night to do some backyard camping. Kids, time to get up. Let's go. All right, getting things ready. We got a tent, we got some bags, we got another one coming in here. We gotta do a little bit of a cleanup, okay? Hey, let's do a little bit of a cleanup. Hey kiddos, hey, can you both pick up the water table? Can you both of them? Leave the nanny down there. Help your brother. Can you pick it up together? And move it that way, over there in the back.
I don't think we can.
Go, go, go. Right there's perfect. Perfect. Great job. Great job. All right.
And how can we open this glass?
Because this is going to be our campground right here.
I'm super strong, guys.
Yeah.
What?
Muscles. Great job.
Piano?
All right. So, move this out of the way real quick. Get the tent going. Can you move that?
I could wait.
All right, roll it out. Open. Open. All the way. All the way. Perfect.
What is that for?
Whoa! Come on, catch it.
This was the world Wednesday. That's okay. Just a little bit.
All right, so these are called support rods. Okay?
Ooh!
And here's what we have to do.
I like support!
Yes, here's what we have to do. We have to thread this in here. Okay? Can you help it in the middle? Go all the way. Alright? So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to feed, and you grab it, and you have to put it inside at the edge. Yeah, inside. Poke it. Got it?
Whoa, that's a honey bird! Tuck
Yeah.
inside this?
Yes. Yep, inside there. And you just gotta stay. Alright, now we gotta do the same thing on the other side, okay?
I think I can do it.
Okay. Put it inside the red one. This one is a little tricky because this has to go over the other one. Okay? So when we're pushing it, look, you gotta, there you go. See, it's gonna go over the other one. There's a hole there. There you go. Alright? Don't pull, don't pull. I'm pushing, okay? You're not pulling. There you go. Go, go, go.
Almost.
Go, go, go. You got it?
Inside here?
Yeah.
Got it.
Got it? Okay.
It's just like a big X now.
Yes. So, you're grabbing the other side. Look, I'm going to lift. You lift with me. Lift. No. Yours. You're going to lift your end up. Okay? Just like this. Vivi, can you put this one in there, Mama?
Yep. Yeah, sure.
Just poke it in there. Bati, push. Uh-oh.
I can do it. I can do it. Can you?
Vinny, push. Push inside. Okay. Alright. So,
Alright.
put your foot on the corner. Alright? And raise. You holding it?
Yeah. Can't hold it any much longer.
Push the rod. Push the rod my way. Push the rod.
I am. Now it's just close.
I know, but we're gonna fix it. What?
I think it was too windy.
Oh no.
Woo.
No. And now you gotta feed it. You gotta put it on the bottom.
Over here? Hey, over here?
Yeah. You gotta bend it and put it inside.
Can't bend it. Got it. Got it.
Got it? All right.
It's almost done. I can't see the.
So now you gotta do the clips. Clip, clip.
That looks easy.
Do the clip, clip, clip.
Clip.
Do this clip.
Clip.
Perfect.
I can't even see the doors.
Door's right here. All right. We have the tent set up. Everything is in place on this side. But we gotta put the top, the rain canopy on. The red one. Because, you know, it's clear skies, but you never know. And you're just gonna keep the wind.
You never know if it rains, it's gonna go.
Yeah, actually we asked Google last night if it's gonna rain, and it said no, and then it rained a little bit. So, cuckoo. So we're gonna have to put this on top of the tent, all right?
Yeah, because.
All right, Vincent.
Yeah.
Grab your end. Grab this one. There. You're mushed up. Fix them. Alright. Wait. This is your side. This is your side. Okay. Buckle it down there. Buckle this one.
Alright.
Alright. To this side. And there you go. We have our doorway. So far, so good. All right.
We need a lamp.
So what are we doing today?
So we're doing a tent.
A backyard camping.
Yep.
Yep.
We're going to sleep in it for Will tonight.
All right. And we have the tent set up in the backyard here. We need blankets. Lots of blankets. All right. I kind of lost my help to some gaming there, but we're taking lots of blankets and we're going to stack them inside so we can be Why do we need blankies inside?
Because if it's cold.
No, so it can be nice and cozy, so we can sleep. So we can sleep like we're on a bed.
Yeah.
Right? It's the beauty of backyard camping, because we can be as cozy as we need to.
It's good on here.
All right, let's start putting those in there. In the meantime, we can be silly. Just a little bit on the inside.
Yay. Oh.
Is it nice in there?
Yeah.
Does it feel like it's a mattress?
It feels like home.
Like a bed?
It feels like home. I'm going to be myself.
Hey guys, what do we need to go inside the tent? What else?
Pillows.
Pillows, go get them. Go get the pillows. Bonk. All right, pillow time, come on. Set it up.
I'm going to set it up inside. My sister's just going to watch. Baby, you just watch. You just going to watch. Okay. I'm going to show you how it's done. I'm going to show you how it's done.
Put the big pillows on the corners.
Clearly this side of the middle. I'm going to sleep on the middle. Lucky, who's going to sleep in the middle?
I am. No, in the corner, Tata. This one goes in the corner. In the edge.
I'm doing it like this.
So put the black one on this side.
Yep. Like, where's our
Yes.
gonna be? No. I want it to be like that.
Okay, and now put the pillows that we're gonna sleep on in the top. There you go. Who's gonna sleep on what side?
I'm on this side.
Okay, Vivi, you're gonna sleep on that side where your blankie is.
Yeah, I'm gonna sleep in the middle.
Okay. All right, a few of the essentials. We got a flag set up here, and when it gets dark, what do we have?
Lights.
We have some lights.
Turn.
There you go.
And what? My favorite color.
Okay, so we have some lights.
This one is broken.
Okay, no, this one is not turned on yet, okay? We want to turn on later on. We're going to activate the batteries.
Yeah, so I'm trying to activate it like that.
Okay, but this is what it looks like on the inside right now. And then...
This is my napping spot. Where do I sleep?
Turn off the lights, please.